Hello students. We are done with chapter 1, Sudoku. Today we will start with a new chapter which is somehow different from the Sudoku chapter. You will enjoy this chapter very much because it's full of riddles and you must guess these riddles on your own. Okay, so I will give you clues and you will guess these riddles. So let's start. So our chapter is about mind benders. So our chapter is about mind benders. What are mind benders? So benders are tricky questions, puzzles, or riddles that challenge your thinking, logic, and problem-solving skills. They often have unexpected answers and are designed to make you think outside the box. So we have riddles, we have logic puzzles, we have pattern recognition, challenges, trick questions. Okay, what do you benefit from these mind benders? So they are great for sharpening the brain and are often used in classrooms or games to make thinking fun and engaging. Okay, let's start. I will give you some examples about mind benders. So they are telling us to fill the chart using yes or no as we solve this puzzle. Okay, so let's start with the first one. We have a girl, a boy, and their mom have favorite ways to travel. Find each person's favorite ride according to the clues given below. So they are telling us that the mom's ride never leaves the ground, and the boy's ride is the fastest. So what do we mean by the mom's ride does not leave the ground, and the boy's ride is the fastest? So let's see among these the car, the ship, or the airplane. What's the fastest ride? So the fastest ride is the airplane, of course. So we can say here is yes, and here is no, and here is no. So what do we mean by the mom's ride never leaves the ground? So which one of these transportation means does not leave the ground? Of course, the car. So this is yes, and the rest is no. And we are left finally with yes for the girl about the ship. So this chapter is about these types of riddles. Let's see another example. So a girl, a boy, and their uncle have their own horses. Find each person's horse. The girl's horse and the boy's horse are all one color. So we can see that the boy and the girl's horse are of the same color, which is what? So one is for the boy and one is for the girl, and we do not really know which one. The boy's horse is little sister of the uncle's horse. So we can see that the uncle's horse is the black one. So he has a yes here. And because the boy has a little sister, so which one is the little? So this is it. So we can put yes here, and we are left with yes for this horse for the girl. Let's also see this example. So fill in the chart using yes for yes or no for no as you solve this puzzle. Find each boy's first name. So they are telling us that the tallest boy is a friend of Bob and Ken. Tom is shorter than the three other boys, and Bob is taller than Tom and Ken. So Tom is the shortest among the three boys. So this is Tom. So we search about the shortest boy. So we have a yes here for Tom. Okay. Bob is taller than Tom and Ken. So they are telling us that Bob is taller than Bob and Ken. So we have yes here because he is in the middle. And finally, we have the tallest boy is a friend of Bob and Ken. So who is the tallest boy will be Bill. So we are left with Bill. So Bill is the tallest boy. Okay, let's also see this example. The girl with the straight hair lives in the house with the fewest windows. So the straight hair lives in the house with the fewest windows. So we are left with yes here. Okay. And they are telling us that the boy with the cap lives in a house with one more window than the curly-haired girl's house. So he is with one more window. So this is it. And the curly-haired girl is this one. So he has one extra window. So if the girl lives in a house having two windows, so the boy with the cap will be living in a house with three windows. And finally, we are left with this house for this guy over here. So let's solve one more example. So they are telling us here that the dads and the moms shapes have sides of different lengths. The girl shape has no straight lines. The boy's shape has one less side than the mom's shape. So this is very easy because the girl's shape has no straight lines. So she will have a circle because we have no straight lines in a circle. And they are telling us that the dads and the moms have shapes of different lengths. And they are telling us that the boy's shape has one less side than the mom's shape. So the mom's shape is this one. The dad's shape, if they have different, if the mom and dad have different lengths, so the dad will have yes here. And finally, we have the boy left with this one. So this is all for this chapter. We will solve many different examples in class, and you will guess them on your own. I will give you clues and you will guess them on your own. Hope everything is clear. Please, if you have any questions, tell me. Thank you. Bye bye.